Hello friends! Welcome to Yours Cookiepedia Kids Special! For this recipe, I'm going to use the fresh picked strawberries. Oh! I have to tell you something. I have been to strawberry picking yesterday. It was a lot of fun. Do you want to take a look? Hello everyone! I'm going to strawberry picking. Do you guys want to join? Come, let's go! This is a juicy, yummy strawberry. Let me guys show you a close look of the strawberry. Yummy! Strawberries that I picked up with my friends. Do you want to look? Yum! I'm going to make a strawberry milkshake with these strawberries. Hello again, everyone. So I'm back home now. It was crazy hot out there, but it was fun doing strawberry picking with my family. Now that I have fresh picked strawberries, I'm craving for a cold drink. Oh, I think I can ask my mom to make strawberry milkshake for me. You know what? I can actually help my mom making it. Do you want to treat your eyes? Then let's get started. The ingredients to make strawberry milkshake are strawberry, brown sugar, milk, and strawberry ice cream. Let's get into it. So you first put the strawberry. You're supposed to blend it. I'll ask my mom to help me blend. I can't wait to drink it. So delicious. So dear friends, I hope you enjoyed making strawberry milkshake with me. Stay tuned for my next video. Keep watching Yours Cookiepedia. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching. Ciao!